Hello everyone, welcome to Opportunities Circle, the number one opportunities discovering platform. Opportunities Circle is here with an amazing internship opportunity, the PNG Internship Program. This is a paid winter virtual internship opportunity offered by one of the biggest multinational organizations in Pakistan, known as Procter & Gamble. PNG began as a small soap and candle firm almost 180 years ago. It is now the world's largest consumer products manufacturing organization with iconic, well-known brands that make life a little easier in tiny but significant ways. Due to three simple ideas: leadership, innovation, and citizenship, it has transcended 3 centuries. Paid PNG internship allows you to gain experience while also allowing the company to get to know you, implying that a significant amount of time will be spent on your growth. At PNG, the organization has always valued providing a dynamic, multifaceted, and respectful work environment to their employees. Employees are the heart of PNG, and they are valued and encouraged to participate in our projects that promote agility and work-life balance. At PNG, they value diversity and an equal opportunity employer. Everyone is respected, everyone is taken into account, everyone is at the top of their game. This is their diversity and inclusion mission. So don't miss this great opportunity and apply for the paid internship program now. Eligibility criteria: applicants who are currently enrolled in master's or bachelor's or MBA program are eligible to apply. Applicants who will graduate in the winter or summer of 2022 are also eligible to apply. Applicants must be able to manage agile working hours and semester studies efficiently. Applicants with leadership skills, hardworking and passion are encouraged to apply. Applicant must have team building skills and can easily collaborate and communicate with team members and clients. Applicants must have a creative and innovative mindset. Applicants are required to have analytical thinking and critical analysis attribute. Proficiency in English is a prerequisite for applicants. The benefits of the PNG paid virtual winter internship program: all the internees will be provided with a stipend during the time period of the internship. Internees will get an opportunity to work with hardworking and dedicated team members. Internees will receive formal training as well as day-to-day coaching from their managers. Other details about the internship program: the duration of the paid internship program is 10 to 12 weeks. The virtual online internship will be from January to March and can vary depending on the internee's semester schedule. To apply for the PNG internship program, click on the link given in the description section of this video, and after clicking on that link, you will be redirected to this page. After reading all the details, scroll down towards the application process section. The application process is: to apply for the PNG internship, click on the Apply Now button below or visit the official website and submit an online application form. Applicants are encouraged to submit their academic or non-academic achievements along with their application form. The organization will contact the successful candidates. Click on Apply Now to start your application process.
Subscribe to our YouTube channel and don't forget to press the bell icon for daily updates and new videos. Don't forget to join the official groups of Opportunity Circle on WhatsApp and Telegram, and follow us on Facebook and Instagram for daily updates and new opportunities.
After clicking on Apply Now, you will be redirected to the PNG official website. You have to sign in with your email address and password, and if you are a new user, click on Create Account. You have to add in your email address, a password, you have to verify your email address. You have to take the I understand and accept the term described above in the PNG's Global Candidate Privacy Notice, and then click on Create Account. After creating an account, you will be asked to start your application for the Virtual Internship Program 2022. You can either autofill the application by uploading your resume, or you can apply manually. Click on Apply Manually. To apply manually, for the first step is My Information. How did you hear about us? Select an option from the drop-down list. Have you previously worked for this organization? If yes, please answer the question below. If no, please continue to the next page. Your country, your given name, your middle name, and your family name, your address, your phone number, your phone device type, country, territory, or phone code, your phone number, and then click on Save and Continue. After you're adding in your personal information, next step is My Experience. You have to add in your education details, your school or university, degree title, field of study, and if you want to add another degree program, click on Add Another. Upload your CV and resume, and then click on Save and Continue. The next step is application questions, 1 of 2. Are you currently legally eligible to work in the country where the role is located? Select Yes or No from the drop-down list. Do you have a close personal relationship with, or are you related to anyone who works for a company that makes products like those made by PNG? Although we encourage you to apply to all the positions in which you have an interest, PNG recruiters will have the ability to consider your application for other positions to which you have not applied. Would you like to be considered for other positions for which you may be qualified? Select the option from the drop-down list. Do you meet the minimum qualification requirements for this role as stated in the job description? What source information influenced your decision to apply for a PNG position? And then click on Save and Continue. The next step is application questions 2 of 2. What will be your highest degree level at the time you could join PNG? Please indicate your ability to communicate in English. Which is or was your graduation year? From the following functions, please select your first preference, and from the following functions, please select your second preference. Select one from the drop-down list. Have you worked for a company within the last 3 years that make products like those made by PNG? Select yes or no. If answered yes to the question above, please give the company name. If not applicable, please type NA in the text box provided. Were you previously interviewed with PNG in the last 1 year? And if yes, please provide more details. The last step is voluntary disclosures, your personal information, your gender, your citizenship status, your primary nationality, and then tick on the terms and conditions box. Yes, I have read and consent to the terms and conditions. This is the final step. The next step is application review. In that step, you can submit your application. Thank you so much for your interest in this video. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends and family.